Papaya can be used in a homemade facial to promote bright and glowing skin. Step 1. Cleanse your face ingredients. 1/2 ripe papaya, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Instructions: peel and remove the seeds from the papaya. Cut the papaya into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Mash the papaya with a fork or blend it in a food processor until you have a smooth pulp. Add lemon juice. Apply the papaya mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Gently massage the This Papaya Cleanser onto your skin using circular motions, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Step 2. Papaya Scrub ingredients. 1/2 ripe papaya, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, or any other carrier oil of your choice. Instructions: peel and remove the seeds from the papaya. Cut the papaya into small pieces and place them in a bowl. Mash the papaya with a fork or blend it in a food processor until you have a smooth pulp. Add granulated sugar and olive oil to the papaya pulp. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Apply the papaya scrub mixture to your face, gently massaging it in circular motions. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. Focus on areas with rough or dry skin, such as the forehead, nose, and chin. Massage the scrub for about 2-3 minutes, allowing the sugar granules to exfoliate your skin and the papaya enzymes to work their magic. Rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Step 3. Papaya mask ingredients. 1/2 ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon yogurt, plain unsweetened. 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: combine all ingredients. Apply this mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 15-20 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate the skin. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Follow up with your regular moisturizer to lock in hydration. It's important to note that before applying any homemade facial mask, it's recommended to perform a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for any allergic reactions. Additionally, if you have sensitive skin, it's advisable to consult with a dermatologist before trying any new skincare regimen. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.